Hi everyone, I can see 4 people. So you can throw up some questions today. And this is my first live stream. I'm not completely pro in live streams, but hi Amal Tahir, welcome. Yeah, you can let me know in the comments section, live chat window, any questions you have for me. Hi, multi e-commerce. So I decided just 1 hour back that I will come to live stream. Hi, Sohit. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you, multi e-commerce? No, I am not from Pakistan. I'm from India. Yeah, I'm from India. Hi, smart developer. Okay. Can you please make some videos on how to make a Flutter app more secure and okay? We'll look into that. Right now, I have not. I have only figured out of AES encryption till now. So I don't know about security stuff. From Android perspective, I know, but not from Flutter. What are the plugins and everything. Okay, I'm with your sidebar transition tutorial. Okay, thank you. I have created 2-3 related videos of sidebar because I found them getting more views. So I thought people are looking for this content. That's why I found on Dribble so many UI which is related to sidebar and menu dashboards. Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, Anirudh. Okay. Hey, you have any idea how to show text when image is not available in container? Probably, do you have a tooltip thing? You can wrap that widget in a tooltip. I don't know exact solution, but I have seen that. So when you long press on that, you will see the text. Okay. Okay. Hey bro, do you know any good reference for custom paint? So even in my website, my channel itself, you can find many videos which are having custom paint. So probably with custom shapes, I have created these videos. And animations, yes, I have already created so many videos. So if you have seen my channel, you might have seen those stuffs. Hey, good morning from Germany. Time to start ID. No. Today I'm not going to code. Yes, but later in the today, I am going to complete the second part of the video which I last uploaded. Probably I was thinking of doing it live, but then I will not be able to see the comments. So I dropped that idea. But coding I will be doing live. So it's not time for starting the ID right now. If you have any questions related to code and everything, you can ask. Okay. Cheers, your feedback for Flutter Web. We need to use it when not to. Right now it's in beta. And Flutter Web. So Flutter Web is in beta. I don't think Flutter Web doing good right now. People are developing apps, but they are facing a lot of issues, and it's very hard to say right now. They are working on it. Let's see in future, because people are still can create websites by many other technologies. So you don't know. Okay. Will you make app with Flutter with AI voice assistant? It will be helpful. Okay, nice. I will look into that. I have already once I participated in a hackathon, and that time I created an app of chatbot, but it was not having voice interaction. So maybe I can give you the source code and add voice assistant app into application into that. What is the scope of Flutter over other? Okay. Flutter is best if you are comparing all hybrid frameworks. Okay, for me, because I don't like Xamarin because it has very big learning curve. You have to learn C# if you are not from that background, and you will have to learn two things: Xamarin Forms and Xamarin Native, which again, Native is good because it gives you more flexibility to work with platform channels, but Flutter already has everything in it. You have to learn only Dart, and if you have in your team you have one iOS developer and one Android developer, he can probably work on the platform channels. So Flutter is awesome. Okay. 1 second. Fine. So why you don't upload videos regularly? Because over the time, I have found that I don't want to repeat content on my channel. Okay. Whatever videos I create, I try to do them unique, so that no one else has posted them. Otherwise, you guys won't come to my channel, right? So and it is very difficult to find unique content now, unique things that you guys might not know. Okay, there are a lot of channels and a lot of people are creating Flutter content. I don't want you to waste time, right? So anything new that I have found out, if I find like I should do video for that, I just search for UI. Like once I search for page view actually, I didn't demo anytime. So I found a UI on Dribble and then created a video out of that, uh, just to explain page view. So this is how I do it. Okay. What's the scope of Flutter over the Hybrid app? And I have very less time nowadays. So I still try to figure out of some designs that I can showcase to you. But again, uh, whatever comments are coming for backend, integrated with block and everything, which I have already done. So I don't want to repeat them. That's why I'm not able to find anything that new I can teach you. Okay. I'm new to Flutter, but like it so much. Okay. What about the middleware implementation with modern patterns like services, infrastructure, domain instead of UI only? Yeah, that's what I said. Uh, See, you can create an app with everything, but it will take a lot of time. So you need a team and you need professionals in that, right? If you are good with UI, you will probably need a backend guy, a database guy, and all three of you can easily create an app, right? Infrastructure is nothing but choosing a correct tool, correct framework. Like uh, backend, I can say some things are hosted on AWS, some things are hosted on Google Cloud, Ali Cloud, and all those things. So it's a company's job. Right now, if you're creating your own app, you can go with free stuff like Firebase and anything like that. Okay, what is the future of Flutter? I am not able to say that because I have seen so many hybrid frameworks, PhoneGap, Cordova, everything like that, Ionic, but I don't like them. Flutter is good; it has good future, but I don't know. Google will shut it down, anything like that. Yes, it is good to know and it is good to learn. So many people are making apps, and it's a great hype. How to check the images exist or not in API? Which API? Can you give a demo for Flutter PWA already created by Pawan? You can go and watch it. I have not seen his video, but I don't want to repeat the content. Greetings from Somalia. Thank you. Could you please make a video on designing UI with existing UI design tools like no, already created by Pawan recently? You can again watch it. Can you please suggest which backend services shall I start with for database handling? Yeah, Firebase is good. Hive is good if you want local storage. So I definitely recommend those two. Will Flutter be able to make a TikTok clone? I don't like TikTok. I don't. I don't want people to recreate something that is already there. Okay. So yes, Flutter will be able to create it. That's not a doubt at all. By using Android, iOS platform channels, you can achieve camera, video integrations, and everything like that. Okay. Dart is it is important before you go. Flutter, please answer. Uh, Dart, yes, of course it is important, but when I started Flutter, I didn't know much about Dart. Of course, it's a language, but Flutter will teach you all of the Dart that you need to do it. So just to start with Flutter, you will eventually learn Dart. Can we integrate Flutter with image recognition model in Python and then further connecting it with? Okay, that's too much of it's an app complete. So yes, you can integrate. So basically, your Python server means whatever code you have written in Python has to be hosted somewhere, and then Flutter can interact through REST APIs and anything like that. Okay, it's like creating using Firebase machine learning with Flutter. It's like that. Thank you for all the past Flutter videos. Okay, welcome Ajmat. What's your best state management? I go every time I can go for block. Provider is good, but it's not a state management tool. It's an inherited widget. You can maintain a state, but it's like holding some variables up the tree so that they can be accessed down the tree. That's it. Block is actually a state management tool. Mobex I have not worked on. What's the best? Okay. Any plans for a series that depicts a complete full stack application instead of just the UI? From previous experiences, I have created 2-3 series which have UI, which have Firebase, but I don't know whether you guys really want to see that content or not. So I will see if I can find some small example where I can showcase everything from UI, Firebase, Hive, everything like that. RX deep dive sometime. Yes, definitely. I will take that. Node.js or Laravel is good for backend. I can see Node.js is good. We are actually using. I am facing difficulties to make it responsive according to various. Okay. So recent solutions which I have come across is use ScreenUtil, which is already a plugin. I will put the link in the description of this video. Okay. That is perfect for that. Any plans for it? Okay. I'm facing difficulties. Okay. Can you make some video on push notification for Android? Okay. I will see that. I have not worked on push notifications. I will try to integrate it with Firebase notifications. FCM. So can you make do? I think I have seen somewhere that Pavan has already created with MongoDB. Were you not able to understand that? So let me know. We can create broadcast recover in receiver in Flutter. I don't know. I have not worked on that part, but probably if you search on Google, you will find some plugin which is already created for you. I will try to find it for you. How to find an app is closed or hide from application level instead of passing echo calls to servers? Sorry, no idea. Um, can you make tutorial for post request in Flutter? Okay, so for that you need an API which accepts post. So I will have to figure it out. That I would suggest you go with the Dio plugin, DIO. It has probably all the functions which are required to make get and post calls. Okay. Which ID you prefer? IntelliJ. You can Android Studio is good. Means IntelliJ is the base of Android Studio. Do we need to learn block now after the onset provider? Yes, you need to learn block. I don't think companies or any application built without block, because again, as I said, provider is just an inherited widget. It cannot solve all your purposes. You will have to go for block provider once in a while. When you will do a face reveal? This is my face reveal. Are you guys not able to see my face? Thank you for answering every question. Got to learn many stuff from you as I'm starting with Flutter. Okay, welcome Mukul. Sagar Koju, why I cannot build my API key? For which API? I want to build an app. It's be big as Instagram or Twitter. I'm just worried Flutter won't be. No. You are wrongly worried. Twitter or Instagram can be created with Flutter. So don't worry, you can proceed. You have to architect, you have to structure your app in a way that it scales over the time. Okay. You can follow clean architecture for that. Why I cannot build? Okay, I want to build an app. It's the be big. Okay, it's same question. Create a playlist on creating backend web service through which we can manage admin panel. Okay, I didn't understand what exactly which playlist you were asking for. So please specify that. Thank you for your videos. They are really informative. Thank you again. Looking forward. Okay, welcome. Can you make a series of videos from an idea or a problem to solve to implement in Google Play and make it? from an idea or a problem. We'll think about it. It's a lot. It's a lot to ask. Hi, Techie Blossom. Your videos are really awesome. Being from non-mobile department, also I could understand. And okay, thank you. How are you? Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you, sir. How to localize hard-coded JSON in Flutter? You cannot do that because JSON probably will come from server, and if something is coming from server, it is server's responsibility to convert it according to user's native language, right? So it has to be handled from server. Are you currently working on Flutter in your Yes, I am working on Flutter. So voice assistant app is new content. So can you make in future? Yes, it's a new content. I will definitely try that. As I said earlier also. Please, I cannot find. Okay. Which is the best backend? Till now I have only worked with Firebase and Node.js. So combination of those two. Yeah, MongoDB is also good if you're using Node.js. Any tips how to optimize Flutter app? Yes. So I try to cover them in my videos. If any tips are there, like using const, uh, and don't use multiple hierarchy, means you can avoid some of the widgets that can be merged in one, and likewise don't create list view if you have 2-3 elements. Just create single stylus column with elements. So these are some of the tips I will try to actually there are a lot many tips already there on Twitter. I have seen so many people posting it. I will try to accommodate them and put for you. It will be good for me also. Okay, how to create a splash screen which hide the state bar or notification bar and show nothing, no time, no battery, everything should not be displayed. I think it can be achieved if you have launched your application's activity in Android. I'm saying as a full screen mode. Uh, for Flutter, probably there must be an plugin. I will search for it and let you know that. I think he means face reveal app. I yeah, might be he means face reveal app. I don't know about. Okay, he was joking. How to create? Okay. Any comment I have missed? Any tips how to? Okay, no comment. How to save what's on the screen when we minimize the app? I mean, for Android, we use Lifecycle. How can we implement this in Flutter? Um, see, okay. What is a lifecycle in Android? Lifecycle is generally using live data. You are saving your data as soon as it is entered by user, or you are updating your UI as soon as some event has happened. So to do that, you use live data. And here we have streams. Okay, so streams have memory till the time your application is not killed, if you have initialized in that way. So I would say your blocks will also be not closed if they are assigned on top of material app. Okay, because material app is not closed when you are minimizing the app. So you have to declare your block provider on top of material app. This way, I think your variables will not be destroyed. Okay. Yes, regarding splash screen, I will have to figure it out. Please make one video on top 10-20 useful plugins. Actually, if you go to pub.dev, most popular plugins or the plugins which are already filtered by editor's choice, something like that, they are all popular apps. They're all popular plugins, right? I will think of it and I will put that way. What should you take in mind if you want to make an app scalable over time? Is it just the backend and could be Firebase? App scalability from Flutter side, you can use clean architecture, as I already said. Using backend cloud Firebase, Firebase is good, but choosing between Firebase and MongoDB is costlier. I don't know, but Firebase, of course, you will need to have a Spark plan. Firebase is good because it gives whole solution for the app. You have Crashlytics, you have analytics, you have performance monitoring, you have cloud hosting, you have machine learning, anything. So it can help you. Backend, I would suggest Node.js. Yet I have not worked on that, but Node.js is good. Well, I had to try. Oh, where is that gone? Well, I had to try to make a quotes app in Flutter, and a user also post and try to make their profile and also share the caption. Okay, so what was the problem in that? I think it would be easy to do. You can use Firebase as backend, real-time database, or Firestore. What's your age? My age is 30. Thank you for this channel. Keep being awesome. Thank you. How to start Flutter for beginners? Okay, when I started, I wanted just to create a simple container. I just wanted to set my ID and see whether that app runs on Android or iOS or not, right? Then slowly you will read the blogs, you will understand the code, you will learn the syntax of the language. Then you will face issues like what is best practice and something like that. You will search on Google and you will find the solutions. That's what I did. And I don't shy of saying that I have not taken any course on Dart. It's things that you have to think how you can make this better next time. And if you're thinking that way, you're finding for solution, you will get a solution. Okay, so start with it. It will take some time. It took me 6 months because day one I could not understand a thing in Flutter. I came 2 months later, I could understand something. I came 2 months later, I could understand most of the things. And then when I started creating videos, started creating UI, then I learned a lot. So I would suggest you also create some UIs, you will learn a lot, you will be stuck, find solution and go ahead. In React Native, I used to use hard-coded JSON and localize it, but in Flutter, I am facing issue. See, you will have, I don't know, and if the JSON is coming from server, it cannot be localized at local, right? So if you are talking about local, you can create two JSONs, uh, English version, any other language version, and use them. Please give me some suggestion about how to make a quotes app. I already said, ask for user input. As soon as user has inputted that quote, you can save it into Flutter Firebase store, and then your you're actually your UI is already displaying those codes. You can also save new codes to your Hive storage and show them if user has not seen them in their app. Okay, what are the feature of already created by two people? I will not tell that. Flutter 1.17. Do you have any published app? No, not yet. I okay. So I don't want to create any small app. I want to create a big app on my channel, on my account. So I am just thinking a lot, putting things together, and try to complete with a solution. Right? Half solution, small solution is not good for me. So I will create a app which is full fledged with all the functionalities. Right? Yes, one thing, I had a good interest in sports domain, especially I play FIFA. So I have created a app where I could fetch the players. For that, I use Python to web scrap a website and then store them in Hive storage and then show the users the player. It's till now it's done till this point. Let's see what happens in future. Right now I'm very busy. Can you make a good tutorial of fetching API using Flutter block? I think I have already created. So if you go to my channel and search for block foundation, that's where you will find a API which is being called and you get the response, and I have used block for that. There is no Firebase in that. Do you have any published? Okay. How to create Flutter booking app? Uh, what type of booking? Please let me know. How to get post and get HTTP request in Flutter web? Uh, it's simple. Make HTTP calls. Have you worked on any complete app on Flutter? I am working right now. Is it open sourced? Yes. I just forgot about one app. It is not yet published, but I did a freelancing 1 year back, only for 1 month. It's not published. The app is not published, and I cannot see it getting published in future. Can you point us to one of how to make a responsive UI? I have already created videos, and also you can consider using a screen util package plugin, which is there in pub.dev. Imagine manipulation is an issue with Flutter. I have tried it, but native code needs to be written to support this. This increases the jank and system idle time. Manipulation, which image manipulation? Okay, might be a problem. I have not worked on that a lot. I've missed the new comments. Yes. Hi, I am the guy from Somalia again. Okay. Based your Flutter experience, what is the best way of mastering Flutter as a developer? Start creating your UI first of all, because Flutter is mostly about UI, and then you have lot of plugins which ease your way, which makes things easy for you to create I could say any app. Okay, so you can use Hive, you can use Firebase. All plugins are already created. Mastering Flutter, it would be like, yeah, you just have to work on, you have to write the code, that's it. What is your preferred statement? Block. How to get clients for freelance projects in Flutter? I only know Flutter. I don't know. Somebody contacted me on freelance project because of the channel. So I have not I have not signed up on any of these Uplabs, Upwork, or something like that. I have not done that. I got it luckily from one of the watchers of the channel. But you can create UI and put it in your portfolio so that who wants to hire can see at your work. How to get post and get params HTTP request in Flutter Web? I have already taken that. Provider or block? Any block. As I already said, provider is a enhanced version of inherited widget, and block is your whole app can be managed using block, at least UI. And block is only for UI, right? Only UI. Like you have view models in Android, you have block in Flutter. Provider is can be used for simple purposes. It's just a enhancement, so you can replace inherited widget with provider. How to set text size based on different use screen util, and in my one of the videos I have actually covered this part. I can tell you it is something responsive UI, how to create responsive UI. I have created 2 parts on that, and both cover text sizes also. Free Node.js hosting without credit card or debit card requirement? No. Can we integrate Flutter and Node.js in an application? If yes, how can I do that? So create your server in Node.js, call those REST APIs from Flutter using HTTP. That's it. I'm using Hive. I have an adapter that is basically a class of 4 strings. Since the content of the box is added by the user could be adding many stuff. How to optimize such thing? You can do one thing. You can take help of Firebase. Whatever is there in your Hive, periodically you can upload it to the Firebase, and for that specific user, and show him only the latest things that he has added. Once he scrolls down, load from Firebase. Okay. What happens when Kotlin is used in Flutter? Flutter, it can be only used through platform channels. It will not have any impact because it's an Android code, which will be there only for Android folder. And you can use Kotlin or Java there. I would prefer Kotlin. How to create a small size app using Flutter? Means you want to reduce the size of the app. So whatever app you have right now, it is in debug mode probably. Just create a release build. You will automatically optimize the size of it. Okay. Please tell us what is state management is and how it can work in. So state management is that you have changed something, you have interacted with your application, and that application has to do something in response to that interaction. So when this happens, what exactly you have to update the UI, right? So block, what it does is it takes that event, converts it into a state, okay, and that's how you update the UI. If you compare set state with block, it is very easy. So whenever you have done some event, you will call a method. That method is calling set state. Set state actually rebuilds the UI, okay. Block, whatever section is in the block builder, it will rebuild it. It's just a stream builder if you have worked on that. Okay. I have one question. I use geolocator package. The distance between coordinator not work properly. The data is not correct when I move from current location. I have not worked on geolocator, so I am not the right person. Could you please make one video for iOS building process? I will have to dig it because I am not iOS developer, but I have created many UI on iOS, not released it for release version. Are you currently working as a freelance? I have a job. I don't work as a freelance. I don't like that. um, Sometimes it's good in starting, but freelance jobs are like you give finger, they grab your hand. You give them hand, they grab your neck. Okay, and they are not actually final with the requirements. They are still hunting for the solution, and most of the time I have to take decisions not only for Flutter but for the whole business. I am only there for Flutter UI, right? So why I will give you that much idea? You are not going to take it anyway, and it's also rework for me. If I have created some UI, you are not already decided what should be the output of the UI, what I am supposed to do, right? So it's very bad. Till now, the experience for me was this much. Is there an plugin to decode and encode audio? Probably there is. I think someone already has created a video on music players. So probably he has used that plugin. Actually, I want to play the audio coming from the Dialogflow. Audio is coming from Dialogflow or the text is coming from the Dialogflow, and you want to convert that text into audio. Please make it clear. Please show how to create app with Flutter and Firebase with live push notifications that user can receive when app is not open. Okay, we'll see that. You and many others having a YouTube channels showing many videos of sample real world apps. But how do they make money if all of you offering this for free? This is this is about uh, what you commit to. Probably I have committed myself to creating content free for you. I don't want to go on Udemy, create course. Whatever I like to show you, whatever I like to educate you about, I just take that and put it in the videos. Some of you people like it, some of you don't like it, some of you need it, some of you don't need it. So it's completely there. Creating a Udemy course, I don't know, most of the Udemy courses which I have visited, I have not got what I actually wanted. So I don't know, but how to? Okay. Have you ever implement SQLite in a? No, I use only a Hive. How to implement an icon or text before displaying image, and after the image is loaded from server, then the image itself should be displayed. Um, you can use any plugin which is cached network image. So probably that has the solution. You can show placeholder when the image is getting loaded. How can we create PDF files using already created by someone? Please search for Pawan's video. It might have. Smart Developer, try package, cached. Yeah. Which is the best statement management method? RxDart or Flutterblock? Flutterblock. Because it's actually, RxDart is good, but it will not be, your app will not be scalable. You have to use it locally. Means in small portions you can use it, But having said that, Stream Builder is already like a stream, so Block is very good. Can we you can see RxDart is not that much heavy. It is just a stream and sync, that's it. And probably you will, if you learn Flutter Block, you will already be very much aware of RxDart. That's not a thing. So you can learn Flutter Block directly. Can we use Flutter Web for backend, for as backend API? You can use Dart as a backend language. Flutter is only for UI. Hello, could you please make Flutter tutorial about? I've already created. If you go to my channel, there are a lot many animations, and you will learn very basic stuff from animations. You just have to see the starting 2-3 minutes of my video, and you will get to know if you are seeing animations or not. And maybe I will create a playlist which have animations, so you can go to that channel. Which company do you work at? I cannot reveal that. Sorry. I am the Hive question guy. The app is offline. I know you, Zaza Baba. I have seen so many, I think, comments from your side. I'm the Hive question guy. The app is offline, so I can't use Firebase sadly. Perhaps there is a way to lazily load the content. Yes, yes, there is a way, but you will load the content. You will load the box lazily, not the content. Um, uh, I don't know. Then probably see everything you want to save it in a. You can do one thing. Can you create a second box like archive box? So if 50 things are there in your current box, rest of the things will move to archive box, and you load them from archive box so that not all the things are loaded at once. Just try that. Think about it. It's just a random idea. What are the popular app created using Flutter? I don't know. Nobody told me this app is created in Flutter, and nobody just reveals it. It's about Google. Google will actually reveal it. Humming. What was that app? It was some musical app. Hamilton app, which was the first one, and the second one was something related to recording your emotions and all like that. Don't remember the name exactly. Which company you are working and what's your designation? I work as a tech lead, and my designation is senior software engineer, but the role will be tech lead. And I cannot say which company right now. What is the best way to learn Flutter in details? Reading books or watching videos? Um, I think watching videos would be faster. Reading articles would be very important, following them. And I don't want you to just copy the code and put it in your app. It's very bad idea. I have not done that. It's very bad. You understand the code, write it by yourself, then only you will understand what every line is meaning. Okay. Have you ever implemented? No. I've already seen this question. Yes, the audio is coming in form of text. So yes, I will have to find out if there is any plugin which can convert text into audio. So you can just apply it into that plugin, and it will launch the audio. Like in Android, we had this library, speech to text. Text to speech also was there. Sorry. What is the base? Okay. Is Dart use the backend? If yes, then please let us know. Your sentence forming is little awkward here. I could not understand the sentence. So please, can you specify it correctly? How many languages and frameworks do you know or work with? Okay. Starting from my college days, I started with school days. I started with C++, Java, C Sharp, PHP. Um, I know, yeah, Dart, Kotlin. Recently, I did some very small work with Python. Node.js, once I created a script on Firebase, sorry, on Dialogflow. So these many languages, but not proficiency I have only in Kotlin, Dart, and Java. How many languages and frameworks do you know? Okay, frameworks, Android I know. I have worked little bit on PhoneGap, 7, 8. years back. Very less on Xamarin, 1 month. Um, Backend PHP, my admin, I have worked a little. That's it. How many languages and can you post a video? Thank you, Louis, for £4. It really means a lot, and for other people also, you can see Louis has actually supported me and my channel with this uh, small investment, and it means really a lot for me. Thank you, Louis. Thank you. How many languages and frameworks do you know? Okay. Okay. Hamilton app, yes. Can you post a video using Flutter Flare? I have created a Medium article. I am not a good animator on these type of tools like Sketch, Premiere, or something like that. So I don't know about creating a Flare video, but yeah, I will create a video on that. I will learn it and create it for you. Oh wow, you recognize me. I do comment on yes, I recognize you. Thanks for the double box idea. We'll look into it. Okay. Make a video on Google Animations package. I have already created. If you go to yes, training and diet app UI, that has Flutter Animations package. Can we use Python as backend? Yes, you can. You can use any backend for any front end application. It is not a big deal. What is your next tutorial? Today, probably I will release a video. I could not get time for past 2 videos. Past 2 weeks. So I will create a second part of PS5 neumorphic design, which you will have block in that, and also the second details screen. What is on? There is that new Flutter plugin for. Do you think that will be future for Flutter? I don't think. We and every Flutter developer is putting a lot amount of time to create their own UIs, and someday Flutter Adobe XD comes with generating the code for you. I feel it demotivating. I love coding in Flutter, and someday you see that you just create a design and code is converted for you. Anyway, it's not acceptable for most of the applications. Somewhere it will fail. I have seen with Zeppelin, it happens like this. So it's not a complete solution, but you can take the hint out of it. What is the next? Okay. Shall we use Dart? Yeah, you can. Which city do you reside in currently? Okay. I live in Pune, and my born was in Madhya Pradesh, which is in India, central India. I live in Maharashtra, Pune. Okay. Are you also planning to make tutorials in Hindi language? It might help some of the college freshers, or there are some techie guys, but they cannot understand English well. Yes, I thought of it a lot time some time back, but just I could not find time to create videos. I find it less people will see, so probably you can only 4 or 5 people have asked me for that. Some of them might want it, but they have not asked, so it would be great for them, I think. And if needed, you can take poll. Yeah, I will definitely. Thanks, Preeti, for the suggestion. Video on block. Yes, I have already created Flutter Block Foundation. There are 3 parts of that, and most of the applications, like recent videos, I have used Block. I generally have a playlist for Block tutorials. I will add the videos into that. How popular Flutter will be in next 5 years? It will be damn popular. The reason I'm saying is it's not only for mobile, it's not only for web, it's not only for desktop. It is for embedded devices as well. Talking about embedded devices, you have watch, you have walls, you have washing machine, you have refrigerator, you have TV, you have cars. Everything, if it has a software installed, it becomes embedded device. That's it. So Flutter is just a UI toolkit. It can be used with any of them. You have already might have seen with Raspberry Pi, it's already there. Some examples are there. And Google has also agreed, I mean, they have, you know, uh, showcased that Flutter was drawn on the wall in one of the Google I/Os or Flutter Live. Uh, do you know any great resources full of Flutter UI design tutorial? You can check my channel. It has somewhat good for starting. There are many more channels which have created 2 hour, 2.5 hour videos with all good images, good animations. So probably if you are searching for Flutter UI, you will always see it in your list. Okay, Praveen. Okay. What is the average pay of a senior tech lead in India? I have not researched on that. So why you should not make a code app? I thought of it one day, but again, didn't find it much of uh, you know a very innovative thing. I can create it. It's not that big, but I will put it in a video. Some parts of it, a structure out of it, so you can take that. Why you should not? Okay. How long does it take you to make an app from start to finish with backend included? I have not created a app which has backend frontend together. I am creating one right now, and since it's my loving project, okay, I want to make it very fine. I want to make it perfect, and it has already taken 2 3 leaps. I didn't have backend, so I didn't have players data, so I have fetched them from Python now. It is taking a lot of time. I don't. If you donate your full time into the application, I think within 3 months you can come with a very good app with backend. Uh, you should have the idea of Node.js, Python, something like that also. Your videos are cool. I am following you since you started. Thank you, Suraj. I want full-time Flutter dev. I left my career as web developer and now I'm stuck because, okay, it's sad to know that you don't have job, but I would suggest you at least apply for the jobs, or one day the lockdown is over, you will definitely get a job. Meanwhile, you can work on any freelance project. You can post UI, post your work onto those platforms, and you will get some of the employers. How much money do you earn in a month? Can you? Sorry, it's not. I am a salaried person. I have a fixed month salary. It's something extra that I can earn from YouTube. It's a bonus, and yeah, that's it. That's the two sources that I have. But having said that, it's like the mathematics that I have found. What is required means what is a formula for that is how many years of experience you have into 2 plus 1 or plus 2. That is your package. That should be your package. Like you have 6 years of experience, it should be 13, 14, 15 lakhs and above for future, right? How many money make videos on some advanced UI? uh, right, I always search for that. Sometimes it becomes very hard to put that in one video, and I have found that if I divide my video into parts, people are not watching it. I have found that if I create 2 hours video, people say, oh man, it took 2 hours for you to create this UI. So for those, I would like to say the video which I create, I don't just speed code it. I give examples, I give all the possible scenarios, failures, success which I have found while doing it. Okay. And I prepare before creating video. I don't just sit on machine and do live stream, live coding. I prepare it before. It takes 4 5 hours to think of what I am going to speak, and then when I'm creating video, I make sure I explain every damn thing that I have learned while creating that app. Okay, so it takes a lot of time for that. Could you make a video on Flutter Web? I thought of it once, but since Flutter Web is evolving so fast, if I say something today, it will not be there tomorrow. It is not yet stable. You will find a lot of issues. Have you heard about, you do one thing, you create for tablets and it will definitely work on web, UI specific. Okay. Have you heard about stacked architecture? Do you think it is better than block? No, I have not heard of stacked architecture. Um, okay. What's the cost of development of a full stack app? I don't know. How to start uh, how to start implementing ML in app dev? I have not done yet, but Firebase will help you a lot. You can use it. You can go to the Firebase machine learning package, and you will see how you can use it. The models are already created, predefined models. Where do you live? I live in Pune. What is your preferred backend? I have always been using Firebase. Have never really go with Firebase until and unless somebody tells you that Firebase is bad. Don't switch to any other thing. Firebase is almost free, mostly free. It will scale as you go, so it will be less costlier. You can go with Firebase. Any other backend? MongoDB, but it's costlier. I tried it once. It was having some big cost, so that's why I didn't try. Do you know Pawan personally? No, I don't know him personally. How extent I have to learn to create custom plugin because many features are not okay. It's according to your requirement. Already there are some plugins. If they are not right for you, you can take that code, modify it, and launch your own. And give credit. Don't forget to give credit to who originally created that. It would be good for him as well as for you. Please think about voice assistant. Gonna be new to you. Yeah, we'll definitely think about it. Okay, so it's time for some announcements. If you would have seen in my channel, there are two buttons now: subscribe and join. So I have launched this join thing where you can support this channel by monthly giving some money from your pocket to my account. This way it will, it will bring me more to YouTube and create more videos often. And yeah, because it requires a lot of time while creating the videos. I'm not saying that I will only create videos when you pay me. No, I love educating, I love teaching. So apart from my regular dev job, I want to teach something and I will have to find time for it. So if I find time and if I get money out of it, it would be much appreciated. That's it. So you can join that. I have only one mode right now there, 59. That is the amount. It will be deducted monthly. It's a monthly subscription of a magazine sort of thing. I'm thinking an app for live streaming classes. How do I do it through Flutter? I don't know. I don't know that. Seriously. Please do a tutorial on Yeah, I actually, yes, I have to learn that. Somebody already has done it, but I want to implement in my app. So once I get that, I will do it. From past 15 days, I have a headache finding and learning the different state management. Do you think it is worth learning? Yeah, it is worth. Once you enter into an organization, you will see block, you will see provider, you will see clean architecture. You have to know what that app is doing. Otherwise, people will not like your entry, right? So you should be aware of all the things and master one thing. You master block, aware of everything. That will help you in future also. Hello, sir. How much time to take learn Flutter and make apps? It will take a lot of time if you don't code. You have to write code and practice it yourself. Watching videos, taking GitHub code, and putting that in app will not help. Reading articles and not implementing them in your app will not help. So you have to practice also. You have to write code before anything. It helps with it. It goes with any language, any framework. You have to practice it. Okay. I will try to make a quote app. Can I suggest some other platform through which I can make an app for? You are going to suggest me, or I didn't get. Please suggest basic beginner app to create in Flutter. Okay, you can go with create a quotes app. Create a quote app, put it on GitHub, share on this channel, and this person, Peaceful Nepal, can get help. If there is something that is required to change, I will definitely change it, and probably you two guys can work on it together. That's how you will grow. Can you suggest some other platform through which I can make an app for live stream? I will have to search for it. I don't have right now. I guess comments are slowing down, and it's almost 56 minutes that I have been speaking, and I'm a bit hungry. So let's end this today. Can you suggest some other platform through which I can make an app? I know you have reformed the question. Sir, tell me what is the best way to write code in Flutter? Best way to write code in Flutter. Create UI, create containers, custom shapes. Watch my videos. You will see some of them. Where do you live in Pune, Wagoli, Hadapsar? I live in Wakad. What about Flutter plugin in Adobe XD? I don't know anything about Adobe XD. Do you think it's a path breaking change? I don't think so. I don't think so. How can I design the backend for a fit? And it's only my opinion. How can I design the backend for a fitness exercise app? You can have a list of exercises, list of day plans, weekly plans. You can have a list of nutritions that are suited for keto diet, for any diet, and those things, and then just show to the user, show him some plans which he can subscribe to, and show him the content. Can you tell me how to prevent the multiple logins in Flutter app using Firebase? Multiple logins, preventing multiple logins. You can store the session ID of the user in Hive, and then check whether that user is already logged in or not. It's a simple way, like you do it in Android, iOS, same way. Okay, guys, I would like to stop the live stream now. Now that I'm comfortable with live stream, probably next week I will come up with another live stream and interact with you guys. Take in your questions. Think of answering them later in the videos. And thank you, Varun. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, so that's it. I should turn this off now. Can you please leave the live chat so that I can see still 27 people viewing it. I cannot, it's not right to stop it right now. What roots is the best way in Flutter? Root I have explained. Take a UI, create it, practice it. If you find some difficulties in making that, you can. Thank you, Luis, for showing your support. Thanks a lot. Yes, I was telling. uh, I was saying that create a UI. If you find something that is not achievable, search for it in my channel or any other social content anywhere, Medium, probably Flutter official documentation. Complete that UI and learn something new today. That's it. That's how you will create that. Can you please give some tips for responsive UI? I have already created a video. You can use Screen Util, which will be very good for you to scale your text, scale your width and height. There is a plugin for that already. Screen Util is the name. Stay safe and help us. Yeah, you too. Yes, everyone, be safe and don't come out of your home if you are in red zone, especially in India, and learn from your home. Thank you, bro. Thanks a lot. Okay. So probably yes, 15 still live till the time it is 2. I won't stop this. So please leave the chat, and thanks for joining, everyone. Thanks for joining. I really appreciate it. Headshot Hive. So for music lover, it's Hive. Okay, probably people will come in joining. Sir, tell me Flutter. No, it's already created. A video is already created by Pawan. You can watch that. All the things he has properly explained. Even I have watched his video to just get an overview of what all things are new. And other than that, you can go to the Flutter official documentation to find what else is there. I have Mac machine. Mac is cool, but it's hot. It becomes hot. So probably you need a cooler, exhaust fan, and AC. Yes, don't put it on bed because it won't have any space to for the fan to give the air out. What are you doing in these days? I am okay. I watch a lot of movies. I code for the company, and I think of something that I can do it on the channel, and future you might see some videos coming out. What are you doing in these days? I'm beginner. How can I start in Flutter? Okay, you can again have said it lot many times, but you can start by coding. You have to take a target. You have to create a UI, and you can actually code by creating a UI, and then see if something is not there that you don't know. You can search on internet. Guys, I'm leaving. It's again, we have increased to 22. I really appreciate that people are still joining, but it's been already in 1 hour. So anyways, you can watch whole this after the stream is ended. So right now I'm leaving. We will come back next week. Okay. So thank you for joining the live stream. Thank you, Luis, for supporting the channel. Peaceful Nepal, we will talk next week, definitely. Okay. I cannot means I don't want to teach one guy. I rather put that on YouTube and help lot many people. Yep. Take care. Multi e-commerce, Zaza Baba. Okay, Santosh, you can actually watch the live stream later. It will be already a video. Yes, I am from India. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm leaving, and thank you. Thank you. Bye. Let's see you next week. Okay. Bye bye.